11th chapter. In this exercise 1, first question. In right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters and 17 centimeters are the lengths of AB, BC and CA respectively. Then find out sin A, cos A and tan A. The given triangle ABC right angle triangle means here B angle is 90 degrees. Right angle triangle means 90 degrees. Here B position. In this B position have a 90 degrees. The given lengths AB is 8 centimeters. BC is 15 centimeters and CA is 17 centimeters respectively. Find sin A at this angle A position. In this A position, sin A. What is sin A? Sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. What is sin A? Remember this one. Sin A means this angle A is opposite side is BC. Hypotenuse side is AC. So opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse means BC by AC is BC is 15 centimeters and AC is 17 centimeters. Next, cos A. Cos A means adjacent side of angle A. Angle A adjacent side is AB. AB. Adjacent side is AB. Angle A. Angle A adjacent side is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. So, cos A means cos A is equal to adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse is equal to what is adjacent side AB by hypotenuse is AC. 8 centimeters by 17 centimeters. Next, tan A. What is tan A? Opposite side of angle A. Angle A opposite side is BC and adjacent side of angle A. What is adjacent side? AB. So BC by AB is equal to 15 centimeters by 8 centimeters. Remember these three formulas. What is that? Sin A is opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse and cos A is adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse and tan A is opposite side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A. This sin A is 15 by 17 and cos A is 8 by 17. Tan A is 15 by 8. In this second question, the sides of a right angle triangle PQR are PQ is 7 centimeters and QR is 25 centimeters. Only two sides are given and angle P is 90 degrees respectively. Then find tan P and minus tan R. Here given one right angle triangle, that is PQR right angle triangle. PQ is 7 centimeters and PR is 25 centimeters. Now we find QR, one side of the triangle. How to find? Using Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Now we want QR square. QR square is equal to PR square. We can take PQ square this side. So this plus sign change to minus. plus is changed to minus. So PR square minus PQ square. PR is 25 centimeters. 25 whole square minus PQ is 7. 7 whole square is equal to 625 minus 49 is equal to 576. This is only QR square. QR square is equal to 576. Now we want only QR, not square. So this square is, take this side. So it becomes root of 576. We get 24. QR is 24 centimeters. Now I find tan P minus tan R. What is tan theta? Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. So now we find tan P. So what is opposite side? QR. QR is 24 and adjacent side is PQ is 7 centimeters. 24 by 7. Now tan R. Tan R opposite side is PQ by adjacent side is QR. So PQ by QR is 7 by 24. Now we find tan P minus tan R. What is tan P? 24 by 7 minus 7 by 24. Take LCM 7 and 24. We get 168. 24 is multiplied with 24. So 24 whole square. 7 multiplied with 7. So we get 7 square. So 24 whole square means 576 minus 7 whole square is 49 by 168. We get 527 by 168. Therefore, tan P minus tan R is 527 by 168. In this third question, in a right angle triangle ABC with right angle at B, in which A is equal to 24 units, B is equal to 25 units, and angle BAC is equal to theta, then find cos theta and tan theta. Now, right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. So, angle B is equal to 90 degrees and they given A value and B value. Let ABC is a right angle triangle. In BC is the A is equal to 24 units and CA is B, so 25 units. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees and angle BAC is equal to theta. By using Pythagoras theorem, we have two sides of length. Now we find one side. So we want AB value. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is equal to AC square. This BC square comes to this side. So this side positive is changed to negative. Minus BC square. What is AC square value? AC value is 25 whole square minus BC value is 24 whole square. 25 whole square value is 625 minus 24 whole square value is 576. 625 minus 576 is equal to 49. This is AB square value. Now AB is equal to this square comes to this side. You get root of 49 is equal to 7. AB value is 7 units. Next, now we find cos theta. What is cos theta? Here theta. Cos theta is adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB by hypotenuse is AC. So, AB value is 7. 7 by 25. Next, tan theta. Tan theta is opposite side of theta by adjacent side of theta is BC by AB is equal to 24 by 7. Now, therefore, cos theta is equal to 7 by 25 and tan theta is equal to 24 by 7. In this fourth question, if cos A is equal to 12 by 13, then find sin A and tan A. Given cos A, angle at A. Take one right angle triangle ABC. Cos angle at A. So, cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is AB by hypotenuse is AC is equal to 12 by 13 from triangle ABC. By using Pythagoras theorem, we find this side value, BC value. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Now we want BC square, BC value. So BC square is equal to AC square. This AB square take to this side. It will get negative. AC square minus AB square. And AC value is 13 whole square minus AB is 12 whole square. 13 whole square value is 169. 12 whole square value is 144. 169 minus 144 is equal to 25. This is BC square value is 25. Now we want BC value. This square take to this side. It will get root of 25. BC is equal to 5. And now we want sin A. What is sin A? Sin A is opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC. BC value is 5 by hypotenuse is AC. AC value is 13. And tan value. What is tan A? Opposite side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A. Opposite side is BC by adjacent side is AB. BC value is 5 by AB value is 12. So, therefore, sin A is 5 by 13 and tan A is 5 by 12. In this fifth question, if 3 tan A is equal to 4, then find sin A and cos A. Take one right angle triangle, ABC right angle triangle. 3 tan A is equal to 4. Here 3 is multiple with tan A. This 3 take to this side. It will become division of 4. So tan A is equal to 4 by 3. What is tan A? Opposite side of angle A by adjacent side of angle A. Opposite side is BC. Adjacent side is AB. So, BC by AB. Now, we have two values of two sides. Now, we find another side by using Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here, AB value is 3 square plus BC value is 4 square. 3 3s are 9 plus 4 4s are 16. 9 plus 16 is 25. Here AC square value is 25. AC is equal to root of 25. AC is 5. AC value is 5. Now we find sin A. Sin A is opposite side of angle A by hypotenuse. BC by AC. BC is 4 by hypotenuse is 5. So 4 of angle A is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. So, AB by AC is 3 by 5. Cos A value is 3 by 5. Therefore, sin A is equal to 4 by 5 and cos A is equal to 3 by 5. In this sixth question, in triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, if angle A and angle X are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos X, then show that here angle A is equal to angle X. The given two triangles ABC and XYZ. Here, let triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are right angles. Right angle triangles. Cos A is equals to cos X. Cos A is equals to cos X. They given already. Then from the figure, what is cos A? Is adjacent side of angle A by hypotenuse of an hypotenuse. And here cos X is adjacent side of angle X by hypotenuse. Here AB by AC, cos X is XY by XZ. These two are equal. AB by AC is equals to XY by XZ. Let AB by AC is equals to XY by XZ is equals to K. Can take one constant K. Here take this one only. AB by AC is equals to K. Here AB, this AC goes to here, multiple K of K into AC. XY by XZ is equals to K. XY is equal to K into XZ. This XZ goes to here. These two equations. By using Pythagoras theorem, BC square. Here BC square. What is Pythagoras theorem? AB square is equals to AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. In that, BC square is equals to AC square minus AB square. Here AC square minus, what is AB square? Here AB value is K of AC. Here substituting AB value is K of AC. So square, AC square minus K square AC square is equals to, you can take in this AC common. AC of AC square of 1 minus K square. And next, in this triangle, using Pythagoras theorem, YZ square is equals to XZ square minus XY square. Here XY value is K of XZ square minus substituting XY value is K of XZ whole square is equals to XZ square minus K square XZ square. In this, XZ square is common. XZ square of 1 minus K square. Here BC by YZ. BC square value is AC square of 1 minus K square. YZ square value is XZ square of 1 minus K square. This root take to this side. So root of AC square of 1 minus K square by by root of xz square of 1 minus k square. These two terms are same. So cancel 1 minus k square, 1 minus k square. Here root of ac square by root of xz square. This square and root both are cancelled. Is equals to ac by xz. ac by xz is equals to bc by xz and AB by xy. So these two triangles are equal. Angle A is equals to angle X. Triangle ABC is approximately equal to triangle XYZ. These two angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle X. In this 7th question, given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, then evaluate. In this first one is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Take one triangle, that is right angle triangle ABC. Cot theta. What is cot theta? Adjacent side of theta by opposite side of theta. AB by BC, 7 by 8. Let ABC is a right angle triangle. AB is 7 and BC is 8. Now we find AC value by using Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Here AB is 7, 7 square. BC is 8, 8 square. 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64. 49 plus 64 is equals to 113. This is AC square value. AC is equals to root of 113. In this sin theta. What is sin theta? Here sin theta is opposite side of theta by hypotenuse. So BC by AC. BC value is 8 and AC value is root of 113. And cot theta, adjacent side of theta by hypotenuse. AB by AC. What is AB? 7 by AC value is the root of 113. Now in this we find 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta value is 8 by under root of 113. So here 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. See this line. This is look like one formula. A plus B into A minus B is equals to A square minus B square. So 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta is 1 square minus sin square theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equals to 1 square minus cos square theta. In this we can substitute sin theta values and cos theta values. Here 8 square. 8 square is 8 8s are 64. Under root of 113. Root and square both are cancelled. So 113 by 1 minus 7 square 49. 7 sevens are 49 by under root of 113 whole square. So root and square both are cancelled. We get 113 is equals to 110 LCM. 113 minus 64 by 113. This both are cancelled. We get 113 minus 64 by 113 minus 49. We get 49 by 64. This value is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta value is 49 by 64. In this 7th question, second one is 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. Here sin theta value and cos theta values are there. You can substitute here. 1 plus sin theta value is 8 by under root of 113 by cos theta value is 7 by under root of 113. This 1 under root of 113 is take LCM. So the root of 113 plus 8 by the root of 113 by 7 by the root of 113. So these two are cancelled. We get under root of 113 plus 8 by 7. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta is equals to under root of 113 plus 8 by 7. In this 8th question, in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is equal to root 3, then find the values of, first one is sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Second one is cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. Right angle triangle ABC, right angle at B. And given tan A is equal to root 3. Here one value is there. You can take 1 to this side. Root 3 by 1 is equal to, what is tan A? Opposite side by opposite side of angle by adjacent side of angle. BC by AB is root 3 by 1. So BC value is root 3 and AB value is 1. Now we find AC value by using Pythagoras theorem. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. What is AB value? 1. You can substitute here 1 square. And BC value is root 3. And substitute here root 3 whole square. 1 square is 1 plus root of 3 whole square. This square and root both will cancel. So we get 3. 1 plus 3 is equals to 4. Now AC square is equals to 4. So AC is equals to root of 4. We get 2. AC value is 2. Now in this sin A. Sin A is equals to opposite side of A by hypotenuse. BC by AC is equals to root 3 by 2. And cos A. Cos A is adjacent side of A by hypotenuse. AB by AC. 1 by 2. And sin C. Angle at C. Sin C. Opposite side is AB. AB value is 1 by hypotenuse value is 2. AC value is 2. And cos C, adjacent side of C by hypotenuse is equals to root 3 by 2. Now in this first one, substitute values. Sin A cos C plus cos A into sin C. Sin A value is root 3 by 2 and cos C value is root 3 by 2 plus cos A value is 1 by 2 into sin C value is 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. Any two values, these two values have a root like this. Root A into root A is equal to only A. This is a formula. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2. This way root 3 into root 3 is equals to 3 by 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 1 1 2 into 2 4 You can take 4 is LCM. 4, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 4 is equal to cancel 1. Sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C is equals to 1. And second one, cos A cos C minus sin A into sin C. Cos A value is 1 by 2. Cos C value is here. Cos C value is root 3 by 2 minus sin A value is root 3 by 2 into sin C value is 1 by 2. Here 1 into root 3. Root 3, 2 into 2 by 4 minus root 3 into 1, root 3 by 2 into 2, 4. This 4 is common and root 3 minus root 3 is equals to 0 by 4. 0 by 4 is 0. In this, see this table, angles. Sin 0 degree value is 0 and sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2 and sin 45 degree value is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2. Sin 90 degree value is 1 and cos 0 degree 1. Cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2. Cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2. Cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. Cos 90 degrees 0. In this, sin and cos 45 degrees is equal values and 0 degrees and 90 degrees both are opposite values. And tan A, what is tan A? Sin A by cos A. So, tan 0 degrees is equals to 0 by 1, 0. 0 by anything is equals to 0. Tan 30 degrees, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. These two denominators are cancelled. We get 1 by root 2. And tan 45 degrees, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. These two are cancelled. We get 1 value. Next, tan 60 degrees, root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. Two denominators are cancelled. We get root 3. Tan 90 degrees, 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is equals to not defined. Next, cot A. What is cot A? Cos A by sin A. So, cot 0 degrees is equals to 1 by 0 is not defined. And cot 30 degrees is root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. These two denominators are cancelled. We get root 3 value. And cot A, cot 45 degrees, same, tan 45 degrees and cot 45 degrees are equal, 1. And cot 60 degrees, 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Two denominators are cancelled, we get 1 by root 3. And cot A, 0 by 1, 0 by anything is 0. Sec A, what is sec A? Sec A is equals to 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A. So, sec 0 degrees, 1 by 1, we get 1. Sec 30 degrees, 1 by root 3 by 2. This denominator goes to numerator. We get 2 by root 3. And sec 45 degrees, 1 by root 3. This root 3 take to numerator. We get root 3, root 2. Sec 60 degrees is equals to 1 by 1 by 2. This denominator take to numerator. We get 2 value. And sec 90 degrees, 1 by 0. We get not defined. And cosec A, what is cosec A? Cosec A is equals to 1 by sin A. Cosec A is equals to cosec 0 degrees is equals to 1 by 0, not defined. And cosec 30 degrees, 1 by 2. This denominator take to numerator. We get 2. cosec 45 degrees. This sec 45 degrees and cosec 45 degrees are equal, root 2. And cosec 60 degrees, 1 by root 3 by 2. So, this denominator take to numerator, we get 2 by root 3. And cosec 90 degrees, 1 by 1, we get 1. And cosec A is equals to 1 by sin A. Sec A is equals to 1 by cos A, and tan A is equals to sin A by cos A, and tan A is equals to 1 by cot A. Remember this table. This is very useful table. In this trigonometry exercise 2, first question, evaluate the following. In this first one, sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. We know that what is sin 45 degrees? 1 by root 2, and cos 45 degrees is 1 by 2. These two values are equal. Add these two. Substitute here. First 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is equals to, you can take the denominator common, root 2, 1 plus 1 by root 2. 1 plus 1, 2 by root 2. How to write 2? Root 2 into root 2 is equals to 2. So, we can write like this, root 2 into root 2 by root 2. This 2 becomes cancelled. Root 2 by root 2 cancel. We have only root 2. So, sin 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees is equals to root 2. In this exercise 2, first question, second one, cos 45 degrees by sec 30 degrees plus cosec 60 degrees. We know that cos 45 value is 1 by root 2, sec 30 degrees is equals to 2 by root 3, cosec 60 degrees is equal to 2 by root 3. Same value, sec 30 degrees and cosec 60 degrees are same value, 2 by root 3. This value substitute here. What is cos 45 degrees? 1 by root 2, sec 30 degrees 2 by root 3 plus cosec 60 degrees is 2 by root 3 is equal to, this denominator take LCM, root 3 is common, so root 3, 2 plus 2 is equals to 1 by root 2 by 4, 2 plus 2, 4 by root 3 is equals to 1 by root 2 into this 4 by 3 take to upwards, it will become root 3 by 4 is equals to root 3 by 4 root 2. Therefore, cos 45 degrees by sec 30 degrees plus cosec 60 degrees is equals to root 3 by 4 root 2. In this third one, sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosec 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus sec 30 degrees. We know that these values, what is sin 30 degrees? 1 by 2, and tan 45 degrees is 1, cosec 60 degrees is 2 by root 3, and cot 45 degrees is 1, and cos 60 degrees is 1 by 2, and sec 30 degrees is 2 by root 3. Substitute these values in this. 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 is equals to this. This is right like this. 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by root 3. These two terms are equal, so cancel. We get 1. So, therefore, sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosec 60 degrees by cot 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees minus sec 30 degrees is equals to 1. In this fourth one, 2 tan square 45 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees minus sin square 60 degrees. We know that these values, what is tan 45 degrees is 1, cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2 and sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Substitute these values in this equation. 2 of 1 tan 45 degrees value is 1 and cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2 whole square is equals to this plus term minus term cancel. We have 2 of 1 is equals to 2. In this fifth one, sec square 60 degrees minus tan square 60 degrees by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. We know these values. Sec 60 degrees is 2 and tan 60 degrees is root 3, sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2 and cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Substitute these values in this. Sec 60 degrees is 2 whole square minus tan 60 degrees is root 3 whole square by sin 30 degrees 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2 whole square is equals to 2 to the 4. This square and root cancel minus 3 by 1 by 2 whole square, so 4, 1 by 4 plus root 3 whole square, this 2 and root cancel by 2 to the 4 is equals to 4 minus 3, 1 by 4 is LCM 4 and 1 plus 3 is equals to 1 by 4 by 4. This 4 by 4 cancel. So, 1 by 1 is equals to 1. Sec square 60 degrees minus tan square 60 degrees by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees is equals to 1.